Deborah Borchardt, the executive editor of Green Market Report, and I'm excited to be joined today by Ahmed Shehata. He is the co-founder and president of Power Leaves. Thank you for taking the time to speak with us.
Thank you, Deborah. Excited to be here today.
So Power Leaves is a really interesting company because it basically takes cocaine leaves and strips out, I guess, the bad part of the plant and leaves the good part of the plant. But I didn't quite understand this process. Can you kind of explain to our audience and walk us through what exactly that means?
Yeah, absolutely. So, I mean, at Power Leaves, we're the first ever Colombian decocainized coca leaf, coca extract supply chain. And we supply coca extract for the food and beverage market as well as for the global fertilizer market as well. And, we have a unique proprietary process where we extract, and it's ethanol extraction. And, we put it through all our steps, starting from cultivation, drying, milling, extraction, and so on. And it's an ethanol extraction. And it's really interesting because, our main product is coca extract, which is, a food and beverage ingredient with many kind of magical components as well, outside of just being a flavor. But one of the byproducts of our extraction process is the ethanol coca blend, which is our essence product, which is mixed and used with alcoholic beverages. And it has its own unique berry flavor with kind of a minty aroma and aftertaste, the refreshing aftertaste. So it's two products from our main extraction process. And then the third product, our waste product, the waste stream of it, is actually put into a fertilizer. So we use even the waste stream to create a fertilizer because the coca fertilizer has been shown to enhance crop yield.
I feel like in current day, there might be some stigma surrounding just the word cocaine, almost like we have experience with cannabis and such. But the use of the coca plant goes way back and probably to the most famous product, Coca-Cola, which was founded on the use of the coca plant. But that now, and as we step back in time, at that original time, that Coca-Cola, did it strip out some of that stuff on the coca plant, or did it go full force? Because back then it wasn't illegal or had any stigma.
Yeah, so way back historically, it didn't strip out the alkaloids or destroy the alkaloids, and for Coca-Cola as we know it, it's had a monopoly. It's had a monopoly over, yeah, for sure. It held the monopoly over the coca extract and decocainized coca extract for decades. And the part of Power Leaves is we're not actually seeking to compete with Coca-Cola. We're using the extract for food and beverage products, and we're using it in different non-cola products. Everybody knows, when you think Coca-Cola, the taste, and you think that's what coca tastes like, or coca extract tastes like. But it can be used in a wide array of products, and we like to say small leaf, mighty power. There's so many wellness benefits. And going back to what you said, the indigenous people, and our company is founded on a exclusive agreement with Colombian indigenous groups. What's great is with Power Leaves, we've been able to explore those, and we're working with with our science team and many partners in exploring the wellness attributes. And it's everything from, appetite suppression, bitterness reduction. The WHO just said aspartame is a carcinogen. And, with coca extract, it's a bitterness masking agent or a sweetening agent, all natural from the coca leaf. And it can have the same effect, right, as without the carcinogen effects. Sorry, I botched that word. But
so you're doing this in Colombia. Are there legal issues with customs or even the FDA of getting that product to the United States?
No, so in the United States, it's in the U.S. regs, it's a grass listed substance, specifically decocainized coca extract, and grass being generally recognized as safe. And so, I mean, the only other legal supply chain in the world outside of Power Leaves is from Peru, from Inaco. It's a state government company. They sell to Stepan Company, which is, they have a facility in Maywood, New Jersey. The DEA provides them a special and one of a kind. They're the only company with the permit to import the coca leaves from Peru. So we've raised over 13 million US already. You know, we're in between races right now, but we have engaged a US investment bank that we're working with to do a private placement of pre-IPO financing. And then we're planning to do an IPO onto the NASDAQ in 2024. So we're you know, taking this to the next levels and the next steps to seek to expedite our advancement as a company and increases of our production capacity, and the kind of the next big steps to make us a big player.
Well, it's certainly interesting. I feel like I've learned a lot already. I'm excited to try the products, you know, when they're available. So thank you so much, Ahmed, for being on with us at Green Market Report. And I look forward to hearing more about this.